Hi, my name is Hector Galeano. I am 25 years old. I am business administration student also. I work in Confival. Confival is a factory company. My position in Confival is commercial director. Good. My hobbies is watching TV. I like uh, watching TV series Netflix. My favorite series is Game of Thrones. Also, I like read uh, history, mystery, and fiction books. My favorite food is tongues in sauces, tongues of cow. I like parrots. Um, my pet is a parrot. Uh, its name is Socrates. And my family. Um, this is Stephanie, my brother Humberto, my mother Gloria, and my new kid, Jaime Andres. This is me. Um, I wish tell about my trip of Argentina. Uh, this is year. I went to visit my cousin. My cousin, her name is Carla and Miguel. They live in Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires is a part. It's a big city. It's beautiful. Um, I traveled their receive in their house. I was a month with them. I that time I did visit different place, museum, Science and Natural, Chinatown, Boca Stadium, um, Garden Japanese. Then I traveled to Patagonia. Patagonia es así el viaje. Aquí. Patagonia is very cold and very far. Um, in Patagonia, visit Bariloche. Bariloche is a touristic city famous for chocolate and Nahuel Lake. Mm, eh, the weather is cold altitude and travel autumn, so there is no snow. But in winter is the ski point more famous of South America. Um, Patagonia, Buenos Aires. Um, the architecture of Bariloche is beautiful. Um, center, chocolate, Mamuska is a chocolate shop. The beach, the water is cold, and Lago Nahuel Lake and mountains. Eh, the weather is cold. Um, eh, According in the season, in summer and spring, the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, but in winter it can reach -5 degrees. My recommendation mm, for the trip is bring clothes according the weather. Take photos and make many friends. You should learn the words of the place. And when your voice not say give me away. It's common use this expression in Colombia, but in Argentina is uh, ugly bad, ugly word, bad word. Um, it's good carry and smartphone because it's the city there are free with Wi-Fi zones, uh, so you can get yourself and now the bus route uh, is. Thank you for your time. It's my recommendation, my presentation.